In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check answers in Google Forms. This will be a quick step-by-step guide, so you'll be able to follow along easily. Let's dive in and make sure you can confidently navigate this process. First, begin by heading over to Google Drive. This is your central hub for managing all your Google files and forms, so it's crucial to start here. Once you're logged into your Google account, navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by typing Google Drive into your browser's search bar, or by selecting it from the apps grid if you're already in Gmail. When you've arrived at Google Drive, your next step is to click on the apps icon, which you can find at the top right corner of the window. This little grid icon is your gateway to all the Google applications available to you. Clicking this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Next up, from this menu you'll want to choose Forms. Click on it and you'll be taken to the Google Forms dashboard. Now, if this is your first time here, you might see some template suggestions or a prompt to create a new form, but don't worry about that just yet. Here's where it starts to get interesting. You need to select the particular form for which you wish to check answers. You'll see a list of all your forms displayed, so scroll through and click on the form you're interested in. Selecting it will open the form and you'll be ready for the next step. Once your form is open on the screen, you'll want to right-click anywhere on the form itself. This action will prompt a menu to appear, offering various options. This is a helpful shortcut to access tools that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. From this right-click menu, you'll need to click on Inspect. This will open the Developer Tools pane on your screen, where you'll see some code related to your form. Now, I know code can look daunting, but don't worry, we're focusing on just one simple trick here. In the pane, enable Line Wrap. This action will make the code easier to read by wrapping the lines for you. It makes the strings of code more manageable and easy to navigate. After enabling Line Wrap, you can start hovering your cursor over the questions in your form. As you do this, take note that some parts of the code will highlight or change. These highlights sometimes reveal answers or valuable data strings related to the form's questions. It's a bit like peeling back the curtain to see the inner workings of your form. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to check the answers on your Google Forms swiftly and efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy form checking.